Hi, I'm Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with my 5 to-dos for April. Let's get started. Number 1, get your mower ready for the season. That's right, get your mower running and ready. This includes sharpening the blade, replace the spark plug, clean or replace the air filter, change the oil, clean the unit of debris, and lubricate moving parts. If you don't want to do it yourself, I do have an option for you. You're in luck. Contact your local neighborhood Ace store and ask if they offer lawnmower service. Number 2, spread new mulch and preen your landscaping. Now, before you spread the mulch, think about any new plants you may want to install. Flowers, bushes, and so on. It all depends on where you live, but remember, the mulch typically is the final dressing. You may also want to apply some weed control product under the mulch to keep things looking great all season long. As for the mulch, there are so many types, colors, and brands to choose from. Just remember, mulch are like diapers. You always need more. After you're done, sprinkle some preen to your mulch, flower beds, and landscaping. Preen stops weeds from germinating, saving you time from hand weeding later. Number 3, feed your lawn. Strong soil is the foundation for a great lawn. So set your yard up for spring success by adding a soil improver to your yard. Apply Scott's Foundation to your lawn with your spreader. Now, this product contains natural ingredients that can help reduce soil compaction and boost water retention, which helps improve the soil. Think of it as a multivitamin for your lawn, and it needs to bulk up for the season. Number 4, trimming here, there, and everywhere. Early spring trimming of bushes and shrubs with a trimmer will help promote healthy growth and give that shape back to your plants. Take your time and trim back dead branches, shape the plants appropriately, but don't be too aggressive. Step back from the plants to make sure you're not giving it a buzz cut, which can take a while to grow back. Number 5, get your air conditioning ready. I'm always surprised when I hear from people that they don't get their air conditioner serviced. Make sure your unit is being serviced annually. Will help you avoid costly repairs and early AC replacement. If you have central air, you may want to have it serviced. If you use window units, you'll want to get those out of storage and get them installed. All right, get ready because my video on how quick and easy it is to sharpen your mower blade is coming up next.